Drive rate, overstand, say me have a lot for my plate. Money on the thing, put a smile for my face. Suburb complex, condos by the lakes, all them a playing it, yeah.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando, with another one, with another upload, with a banging feature again. Now in this episode, we're here to talk about Alkaline and how he went to Boston, Massachusetts and received a phenomenal award and put on a great performance for the people of Boston, for his fan base. You know it go already, man. A mad thing when the dog step out on the stage. Why? When I see the dog jump out on the stage, in the clippings, them when I see Mr. Jaja, me just only wish me the dead. But the feeling and the vibe was so phenomenal for just watch. You can see all the fans them react to the dog when him jump out. All the ladies them love the dog so much. So we have to jump in the clippings them and see what going. I will just here to talk about it and also talk about the award that Alkaline received. It's such an amazing thing. Say a king never yet crowned in his own country, right? A king has never yet been crowned in his own country. He must go out there to get crowned. And for Sister Alkaline received this phenomenal award on all of the achievements and the credits and you know the things that him do for the culture. It's an amazing thing to see. So you know already, man, a Vibes and Insight with Nando. All I want you guys to do is just smash the like button and leave a comment in the comment section and share on the thoughts and tell me what you think about Alkaline receiving his award and tell me what you think about his performance, because to me his performance was amazing. You know, Alkaline have that catalog and it has that standing ovation where people just salute him and give him praise with so much of reaction. The dad just perform and sing out him, sang them. It was an amazing thing to see. But as I say, just leave a like, comment, press the post notification bell, and you know already, man, a mad thing. Let's get right into it.
That's where everybody in the chat. That's what it's at. I go on a some boy. Give me some. How is that? How is that? Big up on the touch, big up on the ladies. Everybody just follow me. I like it. We have to get up like every day. Everybody think how it's going to that. One of the train of them. We're going to fuck with you. We're going to see you. One time I never do, you don't know what to give. Ain't nobody that does the truth because I love you. You never tell enough for trouble when I trouble you. Somebody couldn't tell you, say I saw you. We get the DS and now we have to give it up. Alright then, but now we have to create myself to the man that we believe on. Just like you told about something that we're the man that make we happy to listen for the woman. Who don't do it, so cut your questions, the answer to everything they probably live on. Over, how much you shot to your time?
people want to see how the fans them react for Alkaline. My God, man. Now I want to say, you see the love of this man receive. It is so amazing to see that this man grows so fast in our business. 10 years, 11 years, I should say, so far in our career. And so much love and so much achievement and so much accomplishment. One would think that him get more hate than love, but when you check it out, it's just a minor. Just a minority of people who hate him. The hate strong, but it's just a minority of hate because sometimes negativity push faster than positivity. But the love this man is receiving over the years, or as receiving over the years, and for say the dog collect an award of recognition. For say him do so much for the culture and his contribution. And as the lady said, he's shaping the future for the youth of tomorrow, the generation. And that's what I always say. This man is constantly shaping the future, constantly paving a way for the younger generation. And it's amazing. So let's jump right into the award receiving and see and hear what the lady have to say, because my God, it's such an amazing thing to see.
Put your hands together for our brother Alkaline. You know, my favorite song is We Up. And I want black people to know this, and people from the Caribbean and African descent. The city of Boston is ours. The state of Massachusetts is ours.
See the people, the state senator say, way up our favorite song. And you know why? Because it has speak power, it has speak upliftment, and that the youth music been a speak over the years. That's why I know say, yo, the youth are bound for greatness, He is destined for greatness. Because you know see the woman and say, yo, she want our black people, them our Caribbean people, to uplift themselves, for be motivated in a sense, for grow. Because we now go backwards or forward, we go. So the lady I say, oh, the black people them to uplift themselves and that Alkaline music been a do, and I tell the youths them. So but them never want to take into it, but they say him get the recognition for it. So that is great thing. So that shows that the youth have to continuously put in the work and go and do it and go and pave the right way. Now follow with the naysayers them I say. Now follow with the haters them I say. Cause the haters only run back a hype and them money just pave the way for the future and the future generation to come, and respect that from the youth. So we could just get back right into some other part of the performance.
What is it? Goddamn boy, that's where everybody hit the champion. Boy, this I am going on a Samsung boy. Give me some guys. I wish for me there. I will say big up on that person, big up on that ladies there. They talk about who like them every day. We talk about them like not one day. Give me a signal. Everybody just a follow me. I like them. We have to get up like them every day. Everybody think that we do a thing. One of the train of them. If you not fuck with you, you good to see. One time I never told you, but I'm a pity. I ain't no man that goes to school, because I'm not here. They never tell enough, you trouble when I trouble you. Somebody couldn't tell us, say I saw it, you said you did, I got way up on the body mask. Alright then, but I'm being straight myself, to no man, we not in none. Just want to talk about something over the man, to make we happy to listen for the woman. But now the interview, so cut your questions, the answer to everything they familiar with. Whatever, I want to shout words of inspiration. What's that signal? Say the truth to me. I can't know that feeling. Who on the place I am, feel it to you. I just gotta say you're lucky when you see it. Hey, no matter where we go, we get you cause I love you. Let me tell you something. Somebody couldn't tell us, say I saw it.
Are you struggling to learn math? Try Question AI. Just snap a picture of the problem and the
Yeah, I don't know what's in a big friend. If you ain't voting, sing that for the one. Sing that, what we tell you? What's that? Say more bad mind. Say more bad mind. Everybody knows me ain't bad, but me coulda never have a man. Thank God me I back already, so they coulda never say me early. Bastard. Down up on a freeway, I know that tell you people you can like, but two of them bad mind I coulda stop. Yo, bastard, sing this. Tell me we ain't a burner. Next one I learn, no good flowers, I am no burner. Common sense I teach, but them not learn. At you are, tell them we ain't a burner. No, everything we can get your one girls. I don't believe. Listen. Hi ladies. Dance it up. Don't you like when cut is longer? She say Alkaline'S. Take a little time when I fuck you powder. I wanna fuck you again. Baby, get over, baby, touch your toes, your fluffy pussy looks so fabulous. Take a little time when I fuck you powder. I wanna fuck you again. What is that you are? Yo, mama. Make the boy get pussy so much, you got me hook it don't fuck. I know that I know what's up. From my fucking DJ in your pussy, no rapper. Don't stop her. Cocky in your belly, full your belly, yo, mama. I wish I could have fucked you again. This a cocky active for one, give me everything what you want. I sell the gun. Put the shot at she, me still not beat the pussy job. Body your pussy up right now, but I just I get the job. That's all me say. Me coulda fuck every girl in the galaxy when me want, but me don't wanna be the only one. I not here, round of the road. Don't you like her when cat is young girl? She say I'm cassette. Take a little time when I cocky bowl, yeah. I wanna fuck you again. Baby, bend over, baby, touch your toes, your cocky pussy looks so fabulous. Take a little time when I cocky bowl, yeah. I wanna fuck you again. Right time. You must be right, you know. Not to everything, but it's right, you know. Me no judge man, live your life, but your mouth can. Me no mind, you know. Party start, but I buy nice, me go. Two fresh nipple to the one night, just pretty lips and all I want vibes up to me. Me taking a girl with Michael. Don't you like her? She said, I will cast it, cocky me. Take a little time for the cocky bone, yeah. I wanna fuck you again. Baby, bend over, baby, touch your nose. Your cocky pussy. Take a little time for the cocky bone, yeah. I wanna fuck you again. You in a me life. You're beautiful. I can't pussy girl scream. I can't go good like you. I'm say like you, me can't stop love you. Relax, I wanna give you some nice dead music. Pop me things up. I'm gonna give you some. Can't be alright. What? If your pussy people. That's right. Oh, what is that? Oh, go down. I'll tell you again. Your smile is everything, and you pull up a style for you. Let me love you every time. The remote can't change my mind. Let me love you every time. When you know I want to red label, I just give me take off panty first. Converse, bareback. When you make your body twerk, in a taste like a first. Me no carry pussy feelings, but you cannot give me the hurt. You could be with my girl, you'd have to send back my credit. Me no want my phone out shot. Me a part of your girl, I imply, but you pump for my work, and I love you everything. Me love you everything. When you raise up the stick, me love you everything. Your smile is everything, like you pull up a style to the girl, me love you everything. Me love you every time, no remote can't change my mind, me love you every time. Me no know I wanna run, I just give me what I want, then get that girl. Oh, girl, when are you, I said, oh, so for all the precious ladies, all my beautiful ladies, roadside up front, I'm say, mommy, look your waist like baby. Yelling us and driving, dancing some higher. I'm just on these hot days. Let me take you for a ride from the rodeo. I make you hold on to the waistline, baby. Let you see how you get your head to go higher. And she a move like a goddess. Let me take you for a ride. Or go, red eye, carry the eyebrows. I won't be able to get to your climax. That true, then I'm more than ya. Skin clean, so swap on ya. I feel like you want him better, you want to wear the pressure. I'm gonna more than you. And I think still program, yeah. It's your best from your birth. Yeah, I know what she wants, sexy and beautiful. Really man can't say the one you're supposed to. You can't chuck, can't stop what you view you. All about people, business, they want to phone. And you want the man, and I use you. Start from your band, you never lose to. She know what she wants. Yeah, you want to know your life. I know you know your life. You don't follow with them, I saw that road with your life. But see, right, cause some of them don't know the chance to make your feet. Just cause you're wrong and you're nice. Come on, man. Nobody ever got better like in a champagne. Really pull them down and tell you some sample. Them are ready for the deal. That's why them get gangster sexy and you're cute. Real bad girls, so you do what you choose to. Stop what you view you. All about people business want to. And you want the man, telling I use you. Start from your band. She know what she want. Come on, girl. Let me tell you something. Tell you one thing. She's one of my like a junkie. Any point, if I eat a pan, is it green or pan? The answer. Can I ever look me to the plaza? I think I am two-piece with the answer. Protect ya. Hold up. Pretty girl with a body, but with a body, they got love me, that people can't take. She has some catchy first time, don't have the rest of the street, you know what I mean? What I say? She said, hey, pretty girl. So she hurting and love and know you don't care. Pretty girl with a body, but with a man, everybody. So they take her off of the scene. Yeah, hear me? They got jam on Rona, everybody I know drama. She come Rona, see fiancé, so we do whatever the fuck we want. Me say you're not ready, she say, see the liquor just a kick her now and touch her. I think take one that because so she a scratch her. I make 3 bucks for him. You look saying I said no, take your answer. She want the encounter. She grab it up and push it on in her answer. You're pretty and you're elegant. None of yourself but you're ever relevant. I'm not sure nothing of me not. I want you to buy it if you see that part you know. Man cheap but here's around we trust the wrong people. The man are wicked. Call us spade, who are we even? Pretty girl must say typical. Give me all of your love, me give you the bit. Upon the phone, me give you the lyrical. Okay, in a verse, hold up, sing. Pretty girl with a body, but with a body, they got the other bit of lyrical. Yeah, some cocky first time, don't have the rest of the street, you know what I mean? So they say, hey, pretty girl, what tell you we know there? Think I love, I know she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, but with a body, so I take her off of the scene. I'ma take you out, I'ma break you out, I'ma let you know what I'm thinking. Take away all the down, what you worrying about? Come and make a toast, so long living. From Lincoln, we'll pass the iceberg, not sinking. Wanna make you proud. Oh, my man cheap out. Man cheap. We fuck around, we trust the wrong people. The man are wicked, who man are evil. Call us spade, who are we evil? Pretty girl, no typical. Give me all of your love. Up on the phone, me give you the lyrical. Okay, in a person. So pretty girl, different. She got the bring it, come here, so be lucky. Take up me right foot, you must keep out the chatty. I hear one pussy, put the ass up on the cocky. Billy daddy, me looking at you.
Wanna make me know how to rate him performance, you know. But for me, I rate him a 9 out of 10 now, because you know the singing over the track takes away a mark from the performance because I know bands. But for me, I rate him a solid 9 out of 10. You know, Alkaline, he's always like that. Him have the solid performance where him sing, him no buck shuffle, him not say cut every time, or him, you know, that way the way him sing majority of the songs, and I rate him for that. But if you don't want to see the full performance, go over Mitch Rap channel. Big up to Mitch Rap and Nick SFB for going out and supporting and representing for the ADF. You know, a mad thing already, man. A vibes and inside with another one. And make sure you like, subscribe, as I said before. You know it already, man. I'm out. Peace.